fake reading.
This is the one issue. Wait a minute, I hope I know.
Hey. Do cute things. Happy hair.
I love you so much, I could die if I could say that.
Ready. I'm recording now.
Ready? Go look
No.
at your actor.
I missed it. I missed it.
Again.
Do it. Yeah. And this.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, it's good. So, everywhere.
Yes.
Hi, I am a Yuki Onna.
It's like Blair Witch. It's like Blair Witch. Oh. It's like Blair Witch, but in the hood. Walking too fast for her.
Sorry. You don't have to know. I mean,
I want your panties.
I mean. Go on the practice. One still there. Once I start doing this.
1, 2. Oh, wait, what did you say? Like how? Like how? How'd you do it? Fall off the hill. Okay.
Thank you all for watching. This is my Valentine's Day blooper set. If you really want to see the actual video, please go click on the link in the description. And this is like one of my first CMVs and covers of an anime song. So, if you want to see more or you're interested in anything, feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think. This is a personal Valentine for my fiance, and I hope he really, really likes it. And more so, also enjoys the bloopers because we're crazy and we do crazy things and it's really, really fun. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
I am now recording.
No, anime doesn't lie about boobs physics. Anime is real. Boobs physics really work like that when girls jump. It just depends on how big your boobs are.
I'm terrified.